Hello friends, welcome to my new project. Hope you all guys are fine. This is my new project using NXP rapid prototyping IoT kit and Raspberry Pi. This project is based on WareHouse temperature and humidity monitoring, and we will also monitor some other parameters like light levels, pressures, TBOC gas monitoring, air quality, CO2 monitoring, a lot of other stuff. This is all due to this little crazy module. This is new product by NXP, and they are providing a lot of sensors and communication methods. In communication method we have BLE option, NFC, thread, low pan options, but in this project I am using BLE for communication with Raspberry Pi, and Raspberry Pi take the data from this sensor node and send the data to Cayenne Mydevices IoT Cloud. So firstly we need to look our device working. If we touch here, it will show the temperature. On next touch, humidity, and then pressure, air quality, and battery level. Charging status equal to 1. Ambient light, it's currently 4. Maybe if I move a little bit side, it will increase its light level. Now it's on to 1. Next, it's showing CO2 level. So this is the device that is showing us the data here. Now we need to take a look to review data on cloud side. So here's our dashboard, which is showing NXP data. Right now temperature is 24, humidity is 30%, lux is 29, and air quality is 11 TBOC, and air quality CO2 is 478 parts per million. Pressure you are seeing here, battery level is only 49%, and it's green when it's on charging. We can see the graphical representation. If we move here and we click on this chart, it will show us the data that we have. If we click on day or week, I think right now it's connectivity issue, so that's why it's not showing the data. Here's the VNC console, which is showing Raspberry Pi desktop, and it's showing that timeout device, timeout issue. That's why it's not showing the data. Sometimes it happens due to time. Actually, for the demo purpose, I am taking the data from device after every 5 seconds, but it is recommended that you need to take the data from device after 60 seconds. In code I mentioned the 60 seconds, but for the demo purpose I am using this 5 second time. Hope you guys enjoy this project. If you have any suggestion, please feel free to give me suggestion on this. Thanks for watching.